Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 GMC Acadia AT4. This is our off-road package. Oh great, a screw fell out. I'll have to fix that. But yeah, thing looks absolutely awesome. Let me grab. In case you guys don't know, I always keep a set of screws with me because a lot of the cars, they don't have screws already on them. There we go. All right. Man, today just isn't my day. First video, battery dies, now that. As you can see, this one has the cloth seats, but I feel like that fits the AT4 a little bit better. It is a little bit of a different design with these brown accents. Jet black interior, satin steel metallic. It's a really pretty color, actually. 9-speed automatic. Total price is $43,890. I am almost 100% sure you can get leather if you so desire. I personally would go with the cloth. It does have a really good feel to it. AT4 embroidered on the headrest. I am personally a big fan of the Acadia. I love driving the Denali version, and this one is just as good. This one has a little bit more off-road prowess, and definitely a lot better off-road capabilities. Definitely is very comfortable to drive. The reason I don't film at this location all the time is because it's a little bit further than normal. But if stuff's going on at the other location, I come out here to film. Phenomenal power. Just awesome. Even with these off-road tires, it's really comfortable. As complacent as can be. You can tell on the highway, not a lot of noise at all. Everything's really comfortable. Brakes feel great. Visibility is absolutely phenomenal. I have no complaints at all with that. It's just really, really nice to drive. This is probably my favorite of the GMC lineup. Maybe my only other is the 3500 Sierra. But this thing is a sweetheart, that is for sure. I love this kind of almost carbon fiber-esque. It's really kind of unique. It definitely sets this car apart. Everything's really soft touch in the interior. But yeah, it is super comfortable. I have no complaints with it whatsoever. Here we can kind of see the suspension, how it takes speed bumps. Wow, really, really good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.